ma'am.
Yeah. So what is dictionary? Basically, dictionary is again a useful data structure for storing data in the Python. Okay. And dictionaries are capable of imitating real world data arrangements. That's a best part of dictionaries. Okay. And data is stored as a key value pair in the dictionaries. Okay. So it is very easy to access the data. Okay. So this data structure is mutable. Okay. And components of dictionary were basically combination of keys and values. Okay. So we can easily access the value based on the keys assigned to it. Okay. And values can be any type, including integer, list, tuple, etc. Okay. So dictionary can also hold tuples, integers, list, so on and so forth. See, the same like tuple. Tuple can also hold string, integer, float values, right? Yesterday we already discussed that. Similarly, dictionary is more broader. Okay, it can also hold the tuple. Okay, so the dictionary is like, as we said, dictionary. So dictionary is nothing, it's a key value pair. So even in the dictionary in general also, like we know that if you just talk about a language dictionary, so every alphabet is associated with certain words, okay? Or we can say certain words are associated with one alphabet. So if you just look English dictionary or Hindi dictionary, so you will find that one word having one word associated with one alphabet. Similarly, dictionary in the Python also works in the similar manner. Here we are having keys, okay, and associated data, okay. So that data can be string, data can be tuples, data can be numbers, so on and so forth, okay. When it is a key pair, so obviously it is a ordered, okay, it is a ordered, okay. So dictionary is basically data structure which can hold other data objects like strings, list, tuples, etc. Okay. It holds data with the combination of key and value pair. Okay. So when it is a key value pair, it means that it is ordered. It is ordered structure or it is ordered data structure. Okay. Now, how we create a dictionary? So curly brackets are the simplest way to generate the Python dictionary. Okay. So the curly brackets are the simplest way to create or generate Python dictionaries. Okay. And there are other approaches as well, like with many other key value pairs surrounded in the curly bracket. That is also one of the way we can have the dictionary. So in that case, you can have a colon and this. Okay, 1 second. Like this. Okay. So you can easily assign the key and associated value. Let's say dictionary I want to create. So I'm just creating dictionary 1. Okay. And how I'm going to create it with the curly bracket, I'll be having name. Okay. It's a key and the value we will be passed here as a RAM. Okay. Comma. Then age is a key and the value is again with the colon, say 20. Like that. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's say create employee as a dictionary. Just create employee as a dictionary. Okay. So instead of this, we can create it in the Python idle. Okay. Then age. We can have a first name, last name, all that stuff we can have it in the employee as a dictionary. Okay. But I'm not considering that. I'm just making it very smaller way. Okay. But you can have it. Okay. You can have it. So you can have a department. Okay. So you can have a department name here, say sales. Okay. Then you can have a salary. And we can have a salary is like, say, for example, I'm just taking a random values here. So this can be your, you can have a designation or a role, okay? Or you can have a company name, or you can have a role, okay? Role. So the role is a manager. Dictionary I created. Employee is a type of what? So we will see the type function and we will pass the employee. And we will check whether it is of which type. So it is a dictionary type. DICT is nothing, it's a dictionary type. Okay, we can cross check it whether the dictionary is created or not. So by just using a type function. And if I just want to print dictionary, I can have a employee and I can print that dictionary objects here. Okay, so using which is a built-in function we are having here. DICT is a dictionary function or method which is also being used to create a dictionary. Okay, so DICT method से भी हम dictionary create कर सकते हैं. How we can create the dictionary with the help of DICT? Can you do it quickly? Can you do it? We'll be creating dictionary with DICT method. How we can do it? Okay, try to understand here. So DICT is one of the method I'm using and I'm just assigning it's a dictionary. Okay. Once it is being assigned, I can print a simple empty dictionary. Okay. So this is a empty dictionary. Okay. I had not assigned anything here. Okay. So this is a EMPTY dictionary. So this is an empty dictionary. I can get it. Okay. And suppose, okay, I just print the dictionary here. Okay. So this is an empty dictionary. Look. And then with the help of DICT function only, if I want to create, assign the value, so I can assign the value to this dictionary with the DICT method. Okay. In the bracket with the curly bracket, I can pass the value. Say, let's say 1 is nothing, my company name. Okay. So let's say city name or company name, we can have it. Okay. So I'm having here a company or a city, say Mumbai. 2, I'm having, say, Pune. 3, I'll be having, say, Delhi. 4, I'm having, say, Chennai. And the dictionary is being created. Oh, no. Why this value is not working out? See, where the problem occurs, this one single quote I had given, okay? So double quotes are not the syntax of creating this, okay? So it has to be a single quote. So I'll just write it down again. why this version is not working with the arrow keys, but again I had to rewrite it anyway. Single quotes is expected. Okay. Clear? Now parenthesis error coming. Oh, no, no, no. Just opposite parenthesis I had given. Why this is kind of error I'm just creating. See, I'm just having now one only curly bracket first and the this detected a line under. I don't know why these syntax errors are coming this time. 1 second. इतना ज़्यादा error. 1 second. Huh? I just type it. Why? I really don't know why is the hurry is coming in the पुणे. अभी यहाँ पे ये डाला. ये नहीं है. अभी ये कर्ली ब्रैकेट है और ये अभी वर्क करेगा ये. This is a okay. I hope there are so many syntax errors done, but I hope you will understood where the problem is. वो बहुत जल्दी टाइप करने के इसमें हो रहा था. आप प्लीज जस्ट डू इट. आप आपकी तरफ using DICT method, please try to create this, okay, and print this error. Print this dictionary, okay, and avoid the errors. And if suppose I now print this, I can see the dictionary is being created. Okay, now accessing the elements, how we can access the elements again. To access the data contained in the list and tuples index R has been already discussed, right? So here in the dictionary, we are having keys, and using keys, we can obtain the value associated of it. Okay, so let's talk about this employee tuple. Okay, sorry, dictionary. 1 second. I'm just why I'm doing this. Okay, employee. Okay. So employee is my dictionary already being created. This is successfully created dictionary. Now I want to access any particular value it. Okay. So how I'm going to access this? So I'm having print, simple. I'm printing employee data. Okay. Then I'm just having print name percentage employee in the bracket name. Yeah. So I can access the RAM here. Okay, so whatever the value I am accessing with the help of key, basically I am having. Okay, so name pe kya hai? We are having RAM. Same we can have it for the age. We can have apartment, etc., etc. Are you understanding this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now adding dictionary values. Okay, so dictionary is a mutable data type. Okay, we can utilize the right keys to allow the change its values. Okay, and we can assign the key value to the respective key. Okay, the value is updated if the key value pair is already present in the dictionary. Otherwise, dictionary newly added a keys. Okay, so let's add dictionary. So we created an empty dictionary, or we are having already one dictionary, right? Or else we can create one dictionary here. 1 second, yeah. So I just now my arrow keys start working. Earlier it was not working. Now it's actually working fine. I was just entering things. That's why it's showing the trace back things as a kind of. Now we will be adding some, or I will be creating one dictionary. Okay. So I'm just creating dt1 is equals to curly bracket. So this is my empty dictionary, right? So if I print dt1, so this is an empty dictionary I get. Okay, now I'm adding the value it. Okay, now I'm adding items, or we can say the value to it. Okay, how I am adding here? So just adding dt1. I'll be setting 1. Okay, straight away. I can pass any values actually. Okay, but I'm just having this. Okay, so I'm just having Peter, then dt1 1 is equals to, I can have, say, John, and dt1 is equals to, I'll be having Sham. Okay, so these are the, 1 second, it's not this. I had taken one key value must be there. Okay, so this is the value I had added. Okay, so how many elements I added? Total 3 elements I added, right? Now suppose I print again dt1. What should I get here? I will get at 0th position Peter, 1 John, 2 Sham, right? So automatically it is being added with the keys and associated value, right? So we added a set of values with the keys here. Understood? Now I want to make some changes. What are the changes I want? I want to make changes with the updating existing keys. Okay, so I want to make updating or updations in the dictionary. Okay, in the dt1. How I will do it? I'll be just having a dt1. Okay, and instead of 2 I am having Sham. I just want to make it say Raju. Okay, and now again I print dt1. So now 2 become Raju here. It get updated. Is it clear? So with the help of key values, we can change the value, respective value. Once you know the keys, you can change the respective values. Is it clear? Yes or not? Is clear or not clear? Yes, Krishnan, Shruti,
Yes, ma'am.
Shri. Are you doing along with me, or
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay? Now I just want everybody should do it deletion. Deletion the elements from the dt1. Do it. How we can do it? Deletion. Yeah, once it is being done, please let me know. How we can delete the items? So for deletion, we are having del keyword. Okay. We are having del keyword. Okay. So with the help of del keyword, we can delete the elements. Okay. So let's say I want to delete certain element. So how I am going to delete? So let's say I want to delete the item from DT and its respective key is 1. I want to delete say 1, the 1 key वाला element. Okay. So what is the one ऐसा element जिसका key value 1 है वो है John. Okay. I want to delete that. Okay. So how I can delete that? It's very simple. I will be using first the del keyword. Okay. So DEL, what is the name of my dictionary? DT1. Okay. And what value I am going to pass here? In the bracket, I will be passing the key value which I want to delete. Okay. So I want to delete the first element like this. Okay. So it is being deleted. Again, if I just print it, DT1, you will see the John is being deleted. Right?
Yes, ma'am, got that.
Okay. Then we can also use a pop method. Okay. We can also use pop method. So there is a pop method we can use for deletion. How we can use it? So can you just work on the pop? You can do it afterwards also, not necessary that you can do it here itself. Now I'll just brief about the other operations related to dictionary. Okay, so operations on dictionaries. Okay, so we can update the things. I had already shown you the updation, deletion. Using delete, we already demonstrated using delete, and pop is another one method which you can explore. Okay, then iterations are also possible in the dictionary. Then what else we can have it? uh, there are certain properties. Okay, properties of dictionary. So properties of dictionary keys. Okay. So in dictionary, we cannot store multiple values at the same key. Okay. So there are certain things we need to be very careful when using dictionary. Okay. So in the dictionary, we cannot store multiple values for the same keys. If we pass more than one value for a single key, then it will accept. But when it will be stored, then the value which is lastly assigned is considered. Okay. You can try it for it, or you can try how it actually works. Okay. The second thing you can have it. Okay. You can have it. You can assign except आप जानबूझ के कोशिश करो कि एक की लिया है आपने, जैसे कि 1 लिया है और 1 पे आपने जॉन असाइन किया है, फिर से 1 पे आपने कुछ और वैल्यू असाइन किया है, तो कैसे उसका behavior रहेगा, what could be the property? So that property we discussed just now. Okay, the another property we are having, the key cannot belongs to एनी म्यूटेबल ऑब्जेक्ट, मतलब ऐसा नहीं हो सकता आप लिस्ट को की बना लिया, सेट को की बना लिया, ऐसे नहीं हो सकता है। ओके, इट हैज टू बी सम यूनिक वैल्यू। ओके, म्यूटेबल ऑब्जेक्ट, ओके, मतलब वो पाइथन का ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होगा। ओके, वैल्यू कैन बी सेट, वैल्यू कैन बी योर टपल और लिस्ट, वैल्यू हो सकता है लेकिन कीज नहीं हो सकते। ओके, सो म्यूटेबल में आप जैसे लिस्ट जो है वो आपका कभी भी की नहीं बन सकता है क्योंकि लिस्ट इज म्यूटेबल, राइट। अब जो चीजें नॉन म्यूटेबल है दैट कैन बी कीज। ओके, दैट कैन बी कीज पॉसिबल। तो जो नॉन म्यूटेबल है वो कौन से टपल है और क्या है नॉन म्यूटेबल, वो सारी चीजें आप कीज असाइन कर सकते हो। ओके, देयर आर सर्टेन बिल्ट इन फंक्शंस। ओके, so the very first is len. So dictionary length is written via len function. Okay, so if you want to calculate the length of any dictionary, you can have len function. Okay, then any. Any is basically, it returns the, how it actually does for the tuples and lists. Similarly, any value, any function returns the true for the dictionary if something happens, some expressions are evaluated. Okay, then all. So all only returns if true if each dictionary keys contains a true boolean value. Okay, so if all keys value key value contains the boolean value. Okay, then sorted basically it ordered the series of the dictionary keys. Okay, then clear method. What is the use of clear method? So it mainly used to delete all the items of the dictionary. Okay, if suppose you want to delete all the items from the dictionary, you can use a clear method. Okay, you can try this. Copy एक आधा कोई बनाया होगा डिक्शनरी, उसके ऊपर आप वर्क कर सकते हो क्लियर से। कॉपी इट विल रिटर्न द शैलो कॉपी ऑफ डिक्शनरी। ओके, मतलब एक एक कॉपी क्रिएट करेगा वो। ओके, सेम लाइक द एग्जिस्टिंग वन, मतलब जैसे DT1 है, आप उसके ऊपर अगर कॉपी करोगे तो आप फिर से नया एक आपको क्रिएट हो जाएगा, मे बी DT2 नाम दे दो एंड यू कैन प्रिंट इट, तो आपको सेम DT1 में जैसा एलिमेंट्स है वैसे ही एलिमेंट्स आपको यहाँ मिलेंगे। यू कैन ट्राई दैट, करके देखना है आपको कैसे कॉपी वर्क करता है। सो लेट्स से DT1, नो DT1 इज ऑलरेडी बीइंग असाइन्ड, राइट। सो चलो DT1 पे ही काम करता है। DT1 इज देयर, राइट। नाउ अब मैं कॉपी कर रही हूँ। ओके, आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग अ कॉपी मेथड। ओके, कॉपी मेथड यूज कर रही हूँ मैं। हाउ इट एक्चुअली वर्क्स, लेट्स से, ओके, मैं एक DT2 नाम की डिक्शनरी बना रही हूँ जिसमें असाइन क्या कर रही हूँ मैं, जो DT1 है डॉट कॉपी, एंड इफ आई जस्ट प्रिंट द DT2 नाउ, तो मुझे सेम वैल्यूज मिलेंगी जो मेरे DT1 में है। विदाउट डिक्लेयरिंग DT2 मुझे वो कॉपी हो चुकी रहेंगी। कौन सी वैल्यूज, DT1 की वैल्यूज। आपको समझ में आया कॉपी फंक्शन कैसे वर्क किया? यस, नो?
Yes, ma'am, it's working. I'm doing with you.
ओके, नाउ वी ऑल्सो हैविंग फ्यू अदर बिल्ट इन मेथड्स, ओके, जो डिक्शनरी पे काम करते हैं। ओके, सो आई विल बी जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग वन बाय वन। अगर आपको किसी को ऐसे लग रहा है कि इसका आप मुझे प्रैक्टिकली करके दिखाओ तो यू जस्ट आस्क मी। ओके, सो कॉपी इज वेरी सिंपल, वी ऑलरेडी डिड इट। ओके, देन वी ऑलरेडी हैविंग अ
Ma'am,
पॉप।
please do sorted.
सॉर्टेड
Yes, ma'am.
हो नहीं रहा है क्या आपका? सी सॉर्टेड के लिए हम एक नया डिक्शनरी बनाते हैं। ओके, लेट्स से देयर इज अ सॉर्टेड एक एक डिक्लेयर करते हैं। ओके, सो इसका नाम देते हैं SDT। ओके, सॉर्टेड के लिए। ओके, सो जस्ट आई टेकन एस फॉर सॉर्टेड। ओके, और यहाँ पे मैं कुछ भी कीज दे रही हूँ यहाँ पे। ओके, सो आई एम जस्ट गिविंग। ओके, and then for the 5 I just given, say, Shri. Okay, and say for 8 I'm just taking Krish, and 1 I just taken Shruti. Okay, so these are the value I had assigned, so it is being assigned. Now if suppose I print this, what thing? SDT, T is capital SDT, I can get the values. Okay, if suppose I want to sort it, how I'm going to sort? So sorted method I will be using, and I will be passing SDT here. Sorted S capital, D capital, and T small. So this is the sorted values I can get it. Shri, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
It will sort your keys. Okay. Is this clear? Yes, no.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm doing
No.
actually along with you. That's why.
Oh,
I
okay, okay, okay. No problem. What about others? They are also practicing, or what they are doing? See, we are having pop, then we are having pop items. Not as pop item. Okay. So it removes the recent key value paired. Okay. See, pop is again used for the removing only. Okay. Removing only. But this is remove recent key value pair. Okay. Then we are having keys. So keys are basically written all the keys of dictionary. Then we are having items. So basically it will return all the key value pairs. Okay. Then we are having get. So it is used to get the value specified for the, we can pass the keys. Okay, specific आप pass करोगे आपको उसका value मिलेगा. Okay, आप करके देखो. Then update. So it update all the dictionary by adding a new key value pairs to it. Update values. Yeah, these are all the different methods. Okay, डिक्शनरी में काफी मेथड्स हैं, इसलिए मैं आपको सेपरेटली बता रही हुई है. इट रिटर्न्स ऑल द वैल्यूज ऑफ डिक्शनरी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू गिवन इनपुट. ओके, अब इसमें से आप अगर एक 3-4 करके देखोगे तो आपको उस चीज का कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा कि ये मेथड्स यूज कैसे होते हैं. सो आई एम गिविंग यू नेक्स्ट 2 minutes, प्लीज वर्क ऑन इट. Then I'm going to ask few questions from you. Okay. See, we had already seen the Python. I already told you that basic syntax आपको revise करना है, खुद से कुछ करना है. I told you about the functions. How you will write the functions in Python? This is my question. So before to that, you just complete this and then explain me what do you mean by functions. Yes, done. Is it done? Not done?
Ma'am, update is done. I have tried. I'm trying values.
Okay. What about others? Are they are doing, are they are practicing, or they are just listening, or they are not listening? How I should know? Please acknowledge what exactly you are doing. Naitik, Rahul.
Doing, ma'am.
Okay. What about others? Rahul.
Yes, ma'am. Same.
आप लोग साथ में प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो ना? कुछ आपको डिफिकल्टी हो तो आप प्लीज पूछो.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, we are having the next topic, that is a functions. Okay, functions in Python. What do you mean by function? Quickly just answer these questions, okay? I'm expecting this from you because I already told you that you should revise few concepts. So what do you mean by functions? So functions are basically the collective or collection of the statements or a code which is mainly carry out certain logical or mathematical or analytical operations. Okay, मतलब collection of code रहेगा. Okay, और वो जो collection रहेगा उसका कुछ purpose रहेगा. That purpose can be mathematical calculation or analytical. Okay, and that function will consist of name. Okay, so that you can immediately call that function. So automatically जो उसके respective code लिखा रहेगा, the collection of code that being executed. Okay, is it clear? Now,
Yes,
what are the main advantages of functions? Why we need functions?
to perform any specific task or code. I mean, just
Okay. See, once we want to perform a one operation, and for that one operation, if I need a say 10 lines of code, so instead of हर एक लाइन का कोड एग्जीक्यूट करने के बजाय मैं क्या करूंगी, एक साथ वो 10 लाइन का कोड एक फंक्शन के अंदर लिखूंगी एंड आई विल बी एग्जीक्यूटिंग दैट फंक्शन. सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आई एम डूइंग, आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक more reusable blocks of code. Okay, one thing. And when I am writing the function, it actually increase the performance of the application. Okay, is it clear? मैं एक बार अगर 10 लाइन का कोड लिख दिया और उसका फंक्शन का नाम दे दिया, तो मेरे को जितने बार भी वो 10 लाइन का कोड एग्जीक्यूट करवाना है, तो मैं 10 लाइन का कोड बार बार नहीं लिखूंगी, मैं सिर्फ वो फंक्शन को एग्जीक्यूट कराऊंगी. आप समझ रहे हो चीजों को? What is the main syntax of the function? So this is the syntax. Okay. Syntax of function. It always start with a def. Okay. ये keyword है. Then you will be having your function name. जो भी आपको लिखना है आप function name लिखोगे. आपको उसके अंदर जो भी parameters पास करने हैं आप parameters पास कर सकते हो. And then the block of code. जो भी आपका code रहेगा that you will be writing here. Okay. Now, there are few things associated with the function. Okay. it is always start with the def keyword. Okay, we call it a basically definition. Okay, def is basically for the definition. Function name must be the unique one. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि आप 4 बार एक ही फंक्शन का नाम यूज कर सकते हो. It should be the unique one. Okay, so it should be distinguished in your code. Okay, if you are writing a function for add, then another function if you are writing, it should be the some another name. It cannot be a add as the same name. Okay, then function marks the function header with a colon. Okay, so whenever you are writing the function, it is marked with the colon. Okay, and you will be writing the code within it. Okay, so let's talk about a small thing here, the user defined function. Okay, these are all the user defined function we are talking about. Okay, so let's say one execution we will do it. Okay, so this is a function program we will be executing. Okay, so I'm just having a def. Okay, say square root. Okay, square root or square of any number. I'll be just passing that number. I'll be followed with the colon as per the rules. Okay. Okay. And this function, what exactly it will do? It will do this function. This function computes the square of the number. Why this is the keys are not working. Anyway, so I'm just talking about square. No. Square number. Okay. And then it will return, say num and the power 2. Okay, and then you will be having any name. So object is equals to square of say 4 or a 3, whatever be the number you want to give, you can give it. And then oh no, object square 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 say 2. सिंटेक्स एरर क्या आ रहा है यहाँ पे? अनएक्सपेक्टेड इंटेंट. अगर इंटेंट लिया ही नहीं तो sometimes this indent plays. Why this is the error? Most recent call last. Okay, when this module this. object I had created, right? Object underscore square. Object square to object underscore square in the bracket 4. Okay. Name square is not defined. Totally defined as QUARE square. Why this is so error coming? We can call that function. Okay, I'll just create another one. Fun. Okay, and this is a string I'll be passing here. Okay, I'll just having a colon, and then I'll be having this is for the printing the value of length of the string. For this, we are having this function. Okay, and it will return and return length in the bracket. I will be passing that string. So string. Okay. Now I will be calling that function. So I'll be just having print in the bracket length of the string function, that is a fun, is comma fun dot will pass user defined functions is a string. इसका लेंथ मुझे कैलकुलेट करके मिलना चाहिए. It's not working. Print and bracket fun and bracket Python bracket close this. Why the fun is not being defined, defining a function? Can you do this function program? Why I'm not getting, I don't understand. Meanwhile, I'll just check. Print fun is only the function I'm just fun. Can you try this? Print fun. Whether it is coming in your side, because my code is giving me error. And it's giving me error like a line 1 in the module. Fun is not being defined. But I had already defined fun. क्यों नहीं हो रहा है इतना सिंपल सा प्रोग्राम भी क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Yeah, I define it, right? But still it's not coming. DEF. D is equals to square in bracket 6. Mhm. Syntax QRI. Kindly check this function program at your end. I don't understand why this is the problem showing. So I just have a div greet. Okay. This is a basic, very basic program, and print hello world. Here's the div. The simple program for function is not working in my hand. Can you just do it and just try to show me like whether working at your end? Because
No,
this is
ma'am.
only the way we can have it for the functions. It's not working out. Oh, use the loop. Recursion left pickling the object. Okay. So we had not given the break or there. Suppose I just have an add function. B colon, and it should return A plus B. And me just calling the result is equals to add 4,5. Why this is the error coming? That's the problem. We just print add 4,5. It must come.
Ma'am, I got that.
The same error you're getting, or you're getting
No, ma'am. What I did. I first what you written the def square under bracket number
Hmm.
and for the return
Hmm.
2 asterisk 2. Then
Hmm.
further I written print under bracket 2 asterisk 2. Then I got the 4.
नहीं, पर फिर स्क्वायर कॉल करना है ना हमको. अगर वो वहां पे टू एस्टेक ट्रू करना है तो वो तो ऐसे भी आ जाएगा विदाउट डेफिनेशन ऑफ स्क्वायर मेथड. मुझे स्क्वायर इन्वोक करना पड़ेगा ना वहां पे.
What do you want, ma'am?
सी, आप अगर स्क्वायर कर रहे हो, सी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द मेन पर्पस ऑफ फंक्शन. कि मैं यहाँ पे एक, सॉरी, मैं जब यहाँ पे एक स्क्वायर नाम का फंक्शन लिख रही हूँ, स्क्वायर 1, ठीक है, और वहां पे जो भी नंबर पास करूंगी उसका स्क्वायर मुझे आना चाहिए. दिस इज व्हाट इज माय रिक्वायरमेंट, राइट. तो मैंने रिटर्न किया, जैसे आपने किया num²2, राइट. तो ये वो जो नंबर है वो 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई होगा, ठीक है. अब उसको मैंने रिटर्न करना है, तो मैं जब प्रिंट करवा रही हूँ तो मैं नंबर इस तरीके से पास नहीं करूंगी, मैं ऐसे पास करूंगी. I'll be having mm, mm, mm. I'll be having result equals to this. Maybe this will work. तो यहाँ पे एरर आ रहा है. अगर मैं यहाँ पे रिजल्ट करके एक वैल्यू लेती हूँ और वहां पे भी स्टोर कर रही हूँ स्क्वायर 1 का कुछ भी वैल्यू पास करके, और यहाँ पे, तो यहाँ पे भी एरर आ रहा है.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have also done same as what you have written. I have done the same thing. The print under bracket is square, then number 2. But it didn't work. When I've given
हाँ
the proper, sign of the asterisk, then it is giving the 4.
हाँ, वो तो खैर ठीक है, वो आपको 4 मिल रहा है क्योंकि आप वहां पे नाम को वही मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो. तो
Yes, ma'am.
वो नहीं करना है हमको, स्क्वायर नाम के फंक्शन को इन्वोक करना
Okay,
है
ma'am.
using function. Anyone else is getting result? If they are, just kindly show us, because the same way I did it for many function but it's not working. I don't know why it's not working. Because of intent SQ1 is not defined. This kind of error we are getting. Okay. डेफ कीवर्ड ही यूज नहीं हो पा रहा है यहाँ पे, ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? Okay. String is equals to blue word. Okay. Print length string 11. Okay. So it is working fine. And then def a function and it's called function. Okay, I'm just passing a string into it. Oh, sure. Def a underscore function. I'm just passing string, and then I'll be having this prints the length of the string. Then it will return length of the string. Okay. Now I am calling the function print the length of the string via function. Is comma a underscore function in the bracket hello invalid syntax. Still it is showing me invalid syntax. Kindly check this code. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक का कोड चेक करो. सिंपल ये कोड चेक करो. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, ओके, ये जो कोड है, ओके, ये आप किसी और लॉजिक से भी आप एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हो. ओके, आप ऐड कर लो, आप मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, आप फॉर लूप भी लगा लो उसमें. ओके, बट द def इज अ कीवर्ड नीड टू बी हैव इट फॉर द फंक्शन डेफिनेशन. ओके, नैतिक आपने किया क्या, ट्राई किया है ये कोड आपके एंड पे? यस, नैतिक इज देयर. स्विता,
Yes, ma'am.
सो हैव यू ट्राइड दिस कोड फंक्शन वाला?
मैं कोड लिख रहा हूँ मैम, अभी
ओके
टाइप कर रहा हूँ.
ओके ओके. फिर हम सब यहाँ पे चेक करते हैं. एब्सोल्यूट सी लेंथ फंक्शन इज डेफिनेटली वर्किंग और हियर. ओके, सपोज आई एम जस्ट प्रिंटिंग एनी लेंथ फंक्शन. ओके, सो लेंथ फंक्शन पे मैंने जब स्ट्रिंग डाला तो it's working fine. It's working fine. But if I'm using the same thing via def function जो user defined है, उसमें मुझे syntax error आ रहा है. Why it is coming? I just need to check कि ये जो वर्जन है पाइथन का, इसमें कुछ चेंजेस है क्या किसी पर्टिकुलर कीवर्ड को लेके. आई नीड टू चेक विद दैट. एक्सपेक्टेड, व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड हियर? द इनवैलिड सिंटैक्स बोल रहा है ना ये, और ये सिंटेक्स एरर आ रहा है. मतलब कहीं तो सिंटेक्स जो है ये कंपैटिबल नहीं है इस पर्टिकुलर शेल में ये चेक करना पड़ेगा, बाकी लॉजिकली वी नीड टू यूज द सेम वे। ओके, अगर मुझे एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू के लिए वी आर हैविंग सम बिल्ट इन फंक्शंस, सो बिल्ट इन फंक्शंस आर वर्किंग। जैसे लेन जो है वो बिल्ट इन फंक्शन है, एबीएस इज अगेन एब्सोल्यूट फंक्शन, वी कैन यूज इट। फ्लोट के फ्लोटिंग वैल्यूज को भी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू देखना है तो वी कैन हैव अ एबीएस फंक्शन। सो दोज फंक्शंस आर वर्किंग हियर, but user defined is showing us an invalid syntax, so we need to just cross check it कहाँ पे हमको चेंज करना पड़ेगा। Okay, remaining the things, okay, it's already 7:15. I just want that whatever be the functions, these are the inbuilt functions, okay, ये तो work करेंगे 100%, and we had already seen that get update values, they are working fine. So remaining जो भी dictionary related functions है, built in function, len अभी मैंने आपको demonstrate करके दिखाया, sorted already done, okay, copy we already practiced. So remaining जो भी है मतलब any, all, pop, ओके, पॉप आइटम, ये जो है कीज आइटम्स, ये सारे फंक्शंस आपको एग्जीक्यूट करना है, प्रैक्टिस करना है डिक्शनरी पे। ओके, वंस इट इज बीइंग डन, आई विल जस्ट क्रॉस चेक इट विच फंक्शन सिंटेक्स इज कंपैटिबल विद दिस वर्जन। Okay, and then we will proceed with the read and write of the files. Okay, so in the next class we will be reading the CSV files, we are writing something in the CSV file, and then we moving in the numpy and pandas. Okay, so we will see it tomorrow. Okay.